It's very unfortunate due to the fact that we are seeing a little bit of loss in momentum as far as the ICP price is concerned. And obviously, if you take a look at the past 30 days, right, we haven't had a significant drop because we are only down by about 3.3% in the last 30 days. But at this particular moment, right, the price of ICP is gearing up for a leg below this liquidity levels below. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we are going to witness the price of ICP sort of most likely drop close to $7, even slightly dip below $7. Honestly, if the price of ICP had to drop below $7, let's say for example we go and tap into this liquidity, because this is where we have a lot of bearish order blocks right over here, and these are obviously going to be very significant due to the fact that they are going to be giving us the much needed support before we have the reversal towards the upside. Now there are two scenarios that are likely to occur. So let's say for example we end up dropping, right, and we find support at this level, because if you take a look at this candle right over here, right, this is the one that really pushed us up to the upside. Okay, and if we take a look at the yellow wave correction right over here, it's definitely a two-wave structure right over here, and this is one of the reasons why I'm really expecting, perhaps it depends on what's going to happen, it depends on the type and the amount of momentum that we are going to have, especially when we reach $7.60. So this particular level right over here around $7.60, it's definitely going to be a very, very good indication as to whether we are going to be having some more loss in momentum and if we are going to end up dropping into this level. So at this particular moment, right, at this moment, we do not really have any conclusive factors that could make us be drawn to the fact that the price of ICP could likely fall below $7. But at this particular moment, right, due to the fact that BTC is losing a little bit of momentum, right, it is highly likely that we are going to sort of come back down to these low levels, and then we're going to figure out what's going to happen. So the best case scenario is we drop to this bearish order block right over here, and we end up ranging. We range, and then we have a massive explosion towards the upside, and then if that happens, we're most likely going to see $10, because our $10 target is definitely what is going to happen. But personally, I really want to have a little bit of more pain. I want to see the price go down so that we can have some pain points for a lot of people who are investing in cryptocurrency, who are investing in ICP, so that a lot of their stop losses can get triggered, and we sort of go slightly below $7. We could potentially go to $6.80, $6.50. Okay, if that happens, and we grab this liquidity right around this particular level, right, I can guarantee you that we are definitely going to have a massive bullish reversal to $10. And if you take a look at that price move, right, from around $6.50 all the way about $10, right, that is almost going to give us a 50% win, a 50% price pump, which is going to be sort of a very good trade in my opinion. So of course a lot of people really want to see the price of ICP go to $100 ETC, but you have to understand that the market has got its way of playing out, and the algorithms have got their own ways of doing things. So the best thing that we can do right now is we're supposed to analyze the data as it comes through. So right now I am seeing a little bit of loss in momentum, and right over here, right, this particular support has been broken. Okay, this support right over here has been broken, and to me that is a little bit of a bearish sign. However, we could still end up sort of dropping as low as $7.70, $7.60, and still be able to bounce. So I still need to have some more data in order for me to know for sure that we're definitely going to be able to clear and take down this particular support level and eventually grab this liquidity below here, because I can guarantee you that a lot of stop losses are going to be triggered here. When these stop losses are triggered in this level, obviously we're going to see a sharp drop below $7 and a ferocious pump towards the upside to $10. So which one would you rather? I would rather get these liquidity right over here, this liquidity right over here, take out these stop losses, use those stop losses against people's trading wheels, and then just basically be able to move up to this level without any further resistance. That's the option that I'm going for. But again, it depends. If you happen to be those traders that barely sell, right? If you're not really in and out, right? You're stuck. And that feeling is pretty terrible. And you guys don't really like being stuck. But for me, I'm a trader. I go back and forth. I go in and out. And just basically, I grow my bag. Because if you sell at the top and you play these fluctuations, you buy slightly at the bottom, that 30% price discrepancy can make you buy more ICP tokens for the future. So instead of just keeping your money in ICP and just waiting until kingdom come, you can do the most productive thing, which is obviously playing the fluctuations and taking advantage of the price moving so that you can increase your bag. The more you increase your bag, you're obviously going to have more money than somebody who just kept their money intact. But of course, when it comes to trading, right, you can potentially lose out. Sometimes the price can go against you, etc. This is one of the reasons why I have a trading group. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now, take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right, now this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying, stop hyping things too much, and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You need to be part of my trading group, because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. And this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading. We do have those, you know, one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email, 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time, lifetime fee. Let's make this money.